student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn some basic concept of vectors. Last class আমি মডুলাস অফ ভেক্টরের একটি ফর্মুলা দেখিয়েছিলাম এবং একটি এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে ফর্মুলাটি চেষ্টা করেছি। সো আমার কাছে মনে হয়েছে যে ভেক্টরের কিছু বেসিক কনসেপ্ট আছে সেগুলো আলোচনা করা দরকার। তাই আজকে আমি ভেক্টরের কিছু বেসিক কনসেপ্ট নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। সো লেটস সি স্টার্ট। Basic concept of vector is represented by a direction line segment. Okay, we draw a line AB. A is the initial point and B is the terminal point. So magnitude is the length of AB. Direction, this is direction. So direction from A to B positive. This is positive signs. Direction from A to B positive. This is positive direction. Now see next definition, notation. Okay, IJ notation. If O is the origin and A is only point, this is OX line and this is OY. O is origin and A is only point. In position vector of A, OA, we write this OA. We draw a perpendicular OX line A2. So OA is equals to OB plus BA. Okay, OB plus BA. So OB equals to XI and AB is equals to I. So XI plus YI. So where X is equals to I, this is component, and Y is equals to J component. Okay, one example, A is equals to 2, 3 means A equal to, we can say this 2I plus 3J. A is equals to 2 by 3 means A is equals to 2I 3J. 2I is vertical and Y is horizontal. Component is vertical and Y is equals to J component is horizontal. So let's see one example. A is equals to 2 by 3 means A is equals to 2I plus 3J. This is notation. Now we will see equality of vector. Equality of vectors. Vectors that have both the same magnitude and the same direction. Equality of vectors are that are equal, have both and the same magnitude and the same direction. Okay, so we can write here PQ is equals to RS. Let's see one example. Two vectors are said to be equal if their magnitudes and directions are the same. For example, if A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a square, then the vectors A, B and D, C are equal, and the vectors B, C are equal A, D. So, AB equal DC, AB equal DC and AD equal BC. This is the definition of equality of vectors. Okay. Now we see zero vectors. This is simple definition. A zero vector has no magnitude. Zero vector has no magnitude. Zero vector has no magnitude. It is denoted by zero or 0. This is sign, used for sign. The zero vector is also known as the null vector. Okay. Zero vector is also known as the null vector. Null vector, we can see this zero vector. Clear? Now we see negative of a vector. Negative of a vector. A vector having the same magnitude as the vector A but a direction opposite to that of A is called the negative of A. Let's see one example. This is PQ line, direction A. But if you same line, but if you can change the direction, this is negative A. This is positive direction and this is negative direction. So, a vector having the same magnitude as the vector A but a direction opposite to of A is called the negative A. It is denoted by negative A. So, geometrically the negative of a vector A is obtained from the vector A by reversing its direction. In general, for any vector A, there is always a negative such that A plus minus A, that means 0, we can write minus A plus A. Next, triangle law. Two vectors are added using the triangle law. So, any triangle we draw ABC is the triangle. So, for any triangle ABC, we can write AB plus BC is equals to AC. So, AC is equals to AB plus BC. So, triangle ABC, we can write AC is equals to AB plus BC. Two vectors, so that means one line AB and BC. So, when two vectors are added, this is A and B, the resultant vectors A plus B goes from the start of A to the first of B. This is sometimes called the triangle law or vector additions. তাহলে আজকে আমরা কি কি শিখলাম? বেসিক কনসেপ্ট অফ ভেক্টর, নোটেশন, ইকুয়ালিটি অফ ভেক্টর, জিরো ভেক্টর, অফ আ ভেক্টর, ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ল। সো নেক্সট দিনে আমি আরও কিছু তোরে ডেফিনিশন নিয়ে তোমাদের কাছে আসবো, ডেফিনিশনগুলো তুলে ধরবো এবং আস্তে আস্তে আমি এক একটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে ভেক্টরটা তোমাদেরকে ফুলফিল বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করব। ওকে, সো নেক্সট ক্লাসে দেখা হচ্ছে।